So welcome back to this week's Stat Show, and today we're going to be having a look at Mame Diouf and maybe how Stoke might not be using him in entirely the right way, and he might be better off moving back to his striker role and rather than staying at wing back. So the first things first, let's see if there's anybody else who could maybe step in and replace Diouf at wing back. And one candidate is possibly Ramadan, who maybe didn't come to the club with the idea of moving to that position, but he's been there the last two matches. He ended up there in the cup match, and he ended up there against West Brom, and was really pivotal to changing the game against West Brom there. And as we can see from the stats, Ramadan's more creative than Diouf, and he's also more reliable defensively. The only place where Diouf beats out Ramadan in defensive stats is interceptions, but Ramadan is a much better tackler. He attempts and makes more successful tackles, and he also wins more take-ons and creates more chances per 90 minutes. So that frees up Diouf to be able to move back to the striker role, and that could be really important in the current system that Hughes has gone back to. As this Sky Sports graph shows, Stoke have moved back to that fast counter-attacking style that we have. We have the fastest attacks in the league, and we aren't really making many passes on average per attack. And that's very similar to how we played in 14-15, which was Diouf's best season, and today the best goal-scoring season for a single player that Hughes has managed to produce under Stoke. And Diouf in that season was much better than any of the significant goal scorers like Arnautovic or Crouch, as we can see here. And that conversion rate of 20%, so a goal in every 5 shots, is excellent. Is the kind of conversion rates you'd expect from your Sergio Aguero's or your Luis Suarez's. It's truly a good success. And many have suggested that maybe Diouf isn't quite up to it anymore and he's dropped off, and you can see that from the amount of goals he scored, they've decreased. But if we look at all of it in all, he's played a lot less as a striker, and as such, his goals and his conversion rate have dropped. Obviously, coming from right wing back or right wing, Diouf would really struggle to get the clear-cut chances that he thrives on as a striker and could really do some damage with. So there we go, that's my look at it. I think Mame Diouf should maybe be given a chance to move back up to the central striker position on his own. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoy and agree with me, leave me a like and make sure you subscribe to the Bear Pit TV.